Ryan from Wilford Gone Wild, and today I want to show you how I maintain my cross-country skiing trails on my land. Here's the design. So here's the hitch where it connects with a pin, where it connects down to the drag itself. I reinforced the edges right around here with angle iron so that the wood doesn't split. Then you just basically have blades that process the snow, and there's also angle iron on the bottom of those. Funnels to the back underneath, and then it tapers down about an inch and a half gap or so for snow to escape out of. And then I attach these snowmobile trailer runners, which give it the grooved pattern that we use to lay down the corduroy. This is an optional hinged part that comes down if you want to set tracks as you go. Right now I'm just going to groom the trail. Overall, it's a really great piece of equipment, and I wouldn't change much with the design. I think if there was one thing I was going to add to it, it would be some fins on the bottom of the runners going the length of it, so that when you're like on a side hill like this or that, it keeps the back from swaying.